air boxes. We just bought a it looks to be original. The side covers, we have those. We have everything. The only thing we don't seem to have is one of the rear view mirrors. And we don't have, there's a bottom, it's a kickstand. It's almost like a
service stand.
Service stand. I don't know what word you want to put on it. But we do have a bike stand where you lean it over. But this one was more of a prop. And they were stock on the Hondas. She came down and lifted the rear wheel off the back. Made it very stable. But that is the only thing that we see missing to it. It's got compression to it. It seems to, what do you say, 2016 is when the last time it ran. The carburetors were screwed up. They weren't synced right and dirty. The fuel tank's a mess. So all that's got to go. Got any oil?
Yeah, oil's new.
Okay. Did you taste it? Who tasted it?
Oh, they all taste it.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like gas. They taste it.
Yeah. I've never seen anybody taste oil until I started.
Rice Grip Garage, but there.
Yeah. Oh, I guess maybe he can tell something. He's a better man than I am. It's missing the airbox cover and the airbox, air filters themselves. There's a little side plate that goes here. We have it. It's been painted. It's not the original chrome. You see here, the chrome looks a little tough. These things are apparently hard to come by and very expensive. So it may be worth the effort to get those re-chromed, which won't be cheap in today's market. You know, they do make a powder coating that looks like chrome, and it looks pretty damn good. It may be something to think about. I don't know. Because this is such a clean bike. Just really clean.
Original paint.
Yeah, it is original.
It has some scratches up here, but this is...
It is original, though. And looking, the forks, brakes, drums, both front and rear. That's the way they were back then. Headlight's got a ding in it. No.
I'll show them inside the gas tank. That's just a taste to it. Whole inside looks.
You want me to hit you a match? Get a better view? Light?
That'll be interesting.
The headlight ring shown.
Here you go.
the chrome is just a little touchy in the fenders. I don't know. Polish them out. The forks.
I think, yeah,
I think I.
you know what I mean?
I polished them out pretty good. I mean, it's. I don't know if I want to rechrome them just for the fact that a collector probably wants original.
It has that nostalgia to it.
Yeah.
Were these screws factory?
That's
This looks clean.
the underneath of it, the seat when you popped it open was perfectly. It did not look like it had been redone. But that's I knew Suzuki's of this era. I never would do a Honda.
See, that looks too.
You think somebody recovered it?
No, I think that's factory.
I can
I don't.
because you just don't. It looks awful damn clean. Because in my Suzuki, I had a 70 Suzuki 90, brand new. And the first thing that broke was the seat lever latch, and it was Mickey Mouse. You open it a couple times, the handlebars look original.
They don't look bad either.
Somebody's replaced fuel lines.
But that was probably him. Okay, but even under here.
Yeah, he uses wire ties. He was an electrician. But it makes sense.
Because you got the fork lock key up here.
Yeah.
But underneath it's a little crusty, so we'll have to lube it up before we get there. But
I forgot about fork locks. Because when I had my Suzuki, first thing I took off, save weight.
yeah, when we had that TC90, we cut them off.
Yeah.
I mean, the underneath lock looks crusty, but
Down below, doesn't look bad. Hell, the foot makes look original.
yeah, there's just, and down here, the knurls and.
Polish this up. I mean, we'll go through it mechanically, make sure it's good.
But I don't think we need to split the case. I think it needs love.
You can see where the stand, I guess you call it bike stand, where the cradle for it is. Teeth on the gears do not look to be
chewed up.
Because when they look like a wave, that's when you know it's got a lot of miles on it. I think it's original.